Hello guys, squirrels and other small pesky pests can be a huge menace in your backyard and garden. These pests eat anything in the garden, from tree fruits to tomatoes to grapes to corn etc., which is utterly disappointing. If you have decided to hunt them down with air rifles, you need the best for the job. And luckily, this video outlines the top 10 best air rifle for squirrel hunting. I know there are dozens and dozens of air rifles on the market currently, but there is no need to get mixed up which air rifle will do your job effectively to the latter, since our list covers top quality air rifles. The air rifles provided in this video are not just powerful but also present great versatility. They are accurate and inexpensive, which ensures even if you are on a budget, you'd still get a worthwhile airgun for the tasks ahead. As always, all links to the recommended air rifle for squirrel hunting have been included in the description below. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this. Without further ado, we start. Number 1. Gamo Varmint Air Rifle .177 caliber. With Gamo Varmint, you get a very inexpensive yet highly effective air rifle on the go. The Varmint depicts exceptional shooting capabilities, firing pellets at a maximum velocity of up to 1250 fps. The break barrel air rifle also generates considerable muzzle energy of just under 18 feet-pounds. The airgun boasts a fluted polymer jacket steel barrel for improved accuracy and precision. You need 30 pounds cooking effort on this airgun, which is reasonable and better compared to many others. There is a two-stage adjustable trigger. Pros are inexpensive, accurate shots, high velocity. Cons are no open sights and bad scope. Overall, it's a nice entry-level air rifle for novice shooters. Number 2. Benjamin 392S Variable Pump Air Rifle .22 caliber. Squirrel hunting with air rifles gets even better with the Benjamin 392 Variable Pump Air Rifle. Benjamin 392S throws pellets out at a standard velocity of up to 800 fps while being able to produce 15 feet-pounds of muzzle energy. Boasting an all-weather synthetic Monte Carlo stock, the rifle is well made for longevity. It comes with a rifled brass barrel, which is also durable and great for high accuracy. There is a single-stage trigger. The gun is accurate, powerful, and reliable for taking down small pests humanely. Pros are, it is accurate, slick, and great build quality. Con is, the pump is difficult to work. Overall, it's a great air rifle for the money. Number 3. Gamo Silent Cut Air Rifle .177 caliber. The Gamo Silent Cut Air Rifle is a well-made air rifle with great performing functionality. It is capable of sending pellets out at incredible speed of 1200 fps. Gamo Silent Cut Air shoots well and accurately at short ranges. With a whisper noise dampener, you enjoy shooting the airgun even in the neighborhood with little to no disturbance at all. The rifle offers a two-stage adjustable smooth action trigger. You get a synthetic thumbhole stock, which is easy to handle during operation. Pros are powerful performance, quiet shots, and it is lightweight. Cons are short-range pest control and not so good scope. Overall, it's a solid air rifle for short-range pest control and target shooting. Number 4. Umarex Gauntlet .22 caliber. The Umarex Gauntlet takes a special place as far as the best air rifle for hunting squirrel and other small game can go. The Gauntlet is a repeater with 10-shot rotating magazine and a single shot tray, enabling shooters to take on the game quickly with rapid fire. You will love the accuracy of the Gauntlet. It also utilizes less air thanks to the 3000 psi tank. Moreover, the airgun is capable of shooting pellets at an incredible power and velocity of up to 900 fps. It is a quiet option that won't cause disturbances in the neighborhood courtesy of the fully moderated barrel. Pros are proper build, accurate, and the repeating function. Cons are not a good barrel and it's a bit heavy. Overall, it's an incredible option worth every single coin. Number 5. Crosman Nitro Venom .22 caliber. The Crosman Nitro Venom is an air rifle with plenty of potential and downs squirrels effectively and humanely. Delivering up to 950 FPS of velocity, Crossman Nitro Venom depicts fast action and great overall shooting performance. The outfit needs 35-pound corking effort to break the barrel. You will not enjoy sights, but there is an unmounted center point optics 329x32 scope with quick lock mounting system. The gun enjoys an ambidextrous hardwood stock with checkered grip and forearm, and it's very quiet. Pros are, it is well built, it feels great, and it comes with great weight. Cons are, no sights, and it's a bit hard breaking. Overall, it's definitely one of the top 10 best air rifle for squirrel hunting. Number 6. Hatsan Bulbos QE Air Rifle .177 caliber. Hatsan Bulbos is one of the most amazing PCP air rifles for hunting small game like squirrel the market can offer today. The airgun is characterized with a bullpup design, which offers a great deal of comfort during handling. Coming with a synthetic ambidextrous stock, you will appreciate the side lever corking action. The velocity of this air rifle is maxed at 1170 FPS while generating a whole lot of 27 foot-pounds muzzle energy. The checkering on the grip and forearm ensures your control of the gun is solid. Pros are accurate, great bullpup design, versatile. Cons are quite heavy and it's a bit pricey. Overall, it's a reliable air rifle for hunting squirrels. Number 7. Hamali 850 Air Magnum .22 caliber. Hamali 850 Air Magnum is presented as a fun CO2 rifle you can get on the market currently. Its German quality is matched with a load of useful features that will make you love every bit of it. It comes with an all-weather synthetic stock for durable functionality. Being a CO2-powered air rifle, it uses an 88-gram cartridge for power, and you will be amazed at up to 200 shots it produces before any change of cartridges. This .22 version is capable of sending pellets up to 655 FPS in velocity. Furthermore, it's an 8-shot repeater air rifle. Pros are durable build, repeater function, and lightweight. Con is low shot capacity. Overall, it's a perfectly built air rifle. Number 8. Gamoswarm Maxim Air Rifle .177 caliber. This Gamoswarm Maxim is a 10-shot repeater air rifle that will let you unleash your shooting fun at the expense of the pesky squirrel. The airgun is blessed with awesome shooting speed of up to 1300 FPS on the spin. It is arguably the best air rifle for hunting small game in the sense of squirrels, etc. The air rifle possesses a rifle steel barrel to keep its accuracy intact. It comes with a 2-stage adjustable CAT for easy customization. You get an all-weather stock and Whisper Maxim sound reduction technology. Pros are very efficient, repeating function is the best, and it is powerful. Con is plenty of effort needed to break the barrel. Overall, it's a near-perfect solution to the squirrel problem. Number 9. Benjamin Trail PXL 1500 .177 caliber. The output of the Benjamin Trail P1500 comes out on top of many other air rifles in the same category. Trail NP offers a great velocity of up to 1500 FPS, which is truly bad news for the tricky squirrels on the run. For ease of handling, the Trail PXL 1500 features an ambidextrous hardwood thumbhole stock with twin cheek pieces and textured grip and forearm. It's a blast of a rifle with 24 foot-pounds of muzzle energy produced to down any drifting squirrel. In terms of weight, you may not love the 9.7 pounds it comes with. Pros are great velocity, easy handling, and accurate. Con is quite heavy. Overall, the airgun is a well-made outfit for hunting small game. Number 10. Gamo Whisper Fusion Mark 1 Air Rifle .177 caliber. Gamo Whisper Fusion Mark 1 is one reliable air rifle that combines a variety of features and functions to stage an indispensable performance in the field. It offers incredible maximum shooting velocity of up to 1420 FPS. It can't get better when it comes to speed of pellets in this rifle. The break barrel airgun is also equipped with a rifle steel bolt barrel that increases its accuracy. The trigger comes with first and second stage settings for tailoring to your perfect taste of shooting. There is an all-weather ambidextrous stock with black rubber inserts on grip and forearm to improve your comfort when using the gun. Pros are comfortable stock, shoots precisely, and it is accurate. Con is it's a bit loud. Overall, it gives the shooter a great return for the money. I know you loved this video about the top 10 best air rifle for squirrel hunting, didn't you? Show your love by liking it and sharing it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos like this. Until the next time, take care.